I'm going to share with you how I got started in commercial cleaning and also why I got started in commercial cleaning. I've been fortunate enough to build a national, now multinational cleaning business, turning over millions of dollars, but it wasn't like that when I got started by any stretch of the imagination. And in fact, I got into cleaning by accident. I was doing real estate, property development, and I was living from project to project. I'd sell down a project, put some money aside for my living expenses, and put the rest in the next project. In 2011, we had a major flood event in Brisbane, Australia, and one of my business partners, who was a builder, went into liquidation. The bank came to me and said, you've got to take over all these loans. And I was not in a cash flow position to do that because I had no other stream of income besides the real estate. And just before all of this has happened, because I knew this was a problem that I had, I started a small commercial cleaning business. I had to sell all of my real estate down. I didn't have enough money with my commercial cleaning business to survive on it alone, so I had to get a job during the day. I got a job knocking on doors for a roof restoration company. Some of you guys know what that's about, but it's a hard slog. I was going door to door talking to people about getting their roofs fixed. So why did I get started? Why did I get started in commercial cleaning? Why did I focus on commercial cleaning? Well, it's simple maths. Okay, so
show us the math.
I'll show you.
Show us the math.
All right. So I thought, what happens if I start growing a commercial cleaning business as opposed to what I was doing with real estate? See, with real estate, I would sell down a project, then that income stopped, and then I have to go to the next project. And then my income would stop, and then I go to the next project. Sometimes I made money, sometimes I didn't make money. Whereas commercial cleaning is very different. So I'd go out and I would make sure that I was going to make money when I got the business. And if I went out, say month one, that's month one, not M1, month one, I'd go out and I'd win $1,000. That's $1,000 there. It's a little bit wonky that.
That's all right. That's all right. Just the math. Focus on the math.
So yeah, don't look at how I write. Just think about the maths. All right. So month two, I would keep that cleaning contract because remember, people will sign 12-month agreements and sometimes 12-month rolling agreements. So it's contractual income. So I've got that income that I earned from last month, and then I'd go out and win another $1,000 cleaning contract. Now the reason I'm writing in round numbers is because it makes it easy to do the math. So I'm not going to try and work out, weird figures because you're never going to get round, well, very rare for you to get a round figure when you win a cleaning contract.
These aren't big contracts either. So what we're talking about here is very achievable and it's actually quite conservative, but just let's focus on the numbers, right?
So at this point you're making about $2,000 a month. It's not life changing. It's good side income, but you can see where this is going to go. So you keep on doing this. Month 24, you win a contract, keep your contract, win a contract, keep the contracts that you've won, and you're up to $24,000 per month.
Good little business.
Good little business. You're making over $250,000 a year.
Absolutely.
Now you can keep on doing this, or you could also get good at winning more of these. These numbers, I can tell you now, are conservative. When I first started, I was excited just to win one contract a month, but as I got better and with the information we're going to share with you in the following videos, you can do this at a much faster pace. You can be winning a contract a day, in fact. So if you did a contract every single day, you're looking at adding $20,000 potentially per month. It is possible to do that even for one person. You are working hard, but it is possible. So this really appealed to me and the maths made sense. So I thought, well, rather than trying to get back into real estate, this solves a lot of the problems that I had earlier about consistent and predictable cash flow and started giving my family security. All I needed to work out was two things: how to stand out from everybody else, so how to become the prize and not a commodity, something that people, potential clients wanted as a cleaning service. And then secondly, how to keep these contracts for years and years and years. Because as you can see from the maths here, it only works if you can win profitable accounts and then keep them pretty much forever.
Okay, yeah, and that's what we're going to show you in the next series of videos, how to win them and then how to keep them. So thanks for that, Dave. Thanks for sharing your story, mate. That is absolutely awesome. To summarize this video, if you're looking for predictable, consistent, contractual, non-seasonal income, commercial cleaning in the niche we discussed in the previous video, this is where you need to be. And if you're excited about this, hang around for the next videos, because we're actually going to show you how to win this and more, as long as you do the things that we're showing you. Hopefully you'll figure this out. And we're also going to show you how to keep them. So hang around, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Definitely. There is a second part to this, and that is describing how I stumbled across that formula, those two things. But you've got to watch the next video.
You got to watch it.
Yeah. All right. So subscribe below. Hopefully that was informative of how I got started. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the mechanics behind it, how to actually start making that a reality for you as well.